Zambia commissioned a Chinese-financed project on Friday, aiming to improve the water supply in the Zambian capital, Lusaka. The $150 million Phase 1 Kafu bulk water supply project, constructed by a Chinese company, would ensure that about 500,000 people can have access to clean and safe water as well as proper sanitation.
Commissioning this plant today is important. The reasons that have been advanced already, the additions I have made to those reasons, to those factors, why this water plant is so important. A shortage of water in Lusaka.
The water supply capacity of this project is 50,000 cubic meters per day, which provides the people of Lusaka with sufficient, healthy, and clean water. This project has also contributed to the sustainable development, created local employment, and enhanced capacity building. During the construction of this garden-style water plant, at its peak, nearly 1,000 local constructors were employed and trained through workshops of this project.